my channel, and let us continue with crowd computing or wisdom of crowds to find the number of jelly beans in a jar that even Google cannot give you the answer. Okay, so we will continue with the coding part. Now, first I will give you the basics of plotting using matplotlib. Okay, first we have to import the library matplotlib plotlib dot pyplot pyplot and give it a name such as plt. Okay, and then okay, this is giving a sample program. We will do this one only. So what is happening over here, plt.plot function, the first argument represents what will be the x coordinates, and the second argument, which is a list, gives you the values. Like for 1, x-axis input 1, the y would be 1. X-axis input 2, what would be the corresponding y values? Okay, and then we are giving a name to the y-axis as some numbers. Then we will execute this and see. Let us see what we get. Yes, we are getting the, on x-axis we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and corresponding y value is 1 mapped with 1, 2 mapped with 4, right? 2 is being mapped with corresponding value 4. 3, okay, this plotting is continuous. Suppose you don't want continuous plotting, then you can give the third argument as, I want to plot this graph as red dots. So R0, that means it will now plot as red dots. Only these 4 points. 1 corresponding to 1, we have 1. 2, we have 4. 3, we have 9, between 8 and 10. And 4, we have 16. Okay, or you can use green triangles like this to represent these points. Okay, now the points are being plotted as green triangles. Okay, or you can give green squares. Okay, yeah. So if you don't give the x coordinates, suppose if I delete this x list representing x coordinates and I give only the y coordinates, so Python will treat this first argument as the y values, and it will automatically generate 1, 2, 3, 4, all the natural numbers as the x coordinate. Okay, see, we are getting the same graph still. All right, so let us use this. Now we will plot the per 10% trimmed mean, the median, as well as the actual answer to see the difference. Okay, so I have increased the data of our previous estimates or guesses. I have increased it to 1,000 people. Okay, 1,000 people's guesses are stored in the estimates array. Okay, first we will import. Okay, I will take a small pause. Okay, we will continue now again. Okay, yes, so first we will import the statistic library. Import statistics okay, and then, or we can write like this: from statistics import mean, from statistics import median, and import matplotlib dot pyplot. Okay, okay, now we will copy the estimates array. I have increased the number of data points to 1,000 people's guesses. That will give you a more real life feel. The more the number of data you have, the better it is. Okay, I've pasted in the notepad. Let us open that. Yes, this is our data. We will copy this. Okay, just copy and this, paste it over here. Yes, yes. Okay. Now what we will do is we will create a Y array as empty because I want to plot this data. So what we will do, we will keep our guesses of the people as X coordinates and our Y coordinate will be a constant, say 5. Okay. So that will help you visualize the mean, the median and the actual answer. What's the difference between which is a better estimate of the central value. Okay. Now again same thing, I have explained the logic in the last video. If you haven't checked it out, please I would request, it's in the I tab above. You go and check out that video first. Okay, estimates. We will sort it so that we can remove the 10% trimmed mean we can calculate. Okay, then trimmed value we will calculate how much data we have to remove from the lowest values and the highest values. 0.1, okay, into length of our estimates array. Okay, and wait, yes, yeah, it's balanced. Then again we will remove using list slicing. We will remove the 10% lower values and the 10% higher values, over values. And now what we will do, for in the Y array, as many x's we have, as many data values in the estimates we have, that many fives we will append. Okay, for I in range of length of estimates. Okay, we will append, okay, let's append 10. Okay, and then we will plot this estimates as the x-axis, the 10 constant 10 as the y. Okay, so that will help us view the straight line better. And we will plot it using red dashes, so it will be discrete. Okay, then what we are going to do is, okay, let us run till here and then see what output is coming. Then we will continue. It's coming like this. Okay, the value is from 100 to 700. Okay, okay. Now what we will do is we will plot the mean, the 10% mean value. Okay, we will do plt dot plot, and then the x will be the mean of the estimates array, and this would be our list of x values. The y value would be 5, it would be 10, we have given the constant 10, and we will plot this using a yellow dot. Okay, yellow, or let us say a blue dot. Okay, blue dot. Okay, and then this would be our 10%. This blue dot will represent our 10% trimmed mean value. Let us see how it is looking. See, this is our 10% trimmed mean value. Okay, and then what we will do is, now we will plot the median value. Plt dot plot, the x-axis would be our the list of median values, median value for estimate. This arrays, and this array is now storing the subset. It is not storing the entire, it is storing only the subset we have removed in the 10% trimmed mean, right? The median for that. Okay, and then we will give it y coordinate 10, and we will plot it using a green triangle, maybe green triangle or a green square. Okay, let us see how it is looking. It is very near, right? Very close values. Okay, and then we will plot the actual answer. The actual answer, the jelly beans answer is 375. Okay, and what we will do, using maybe a red circle. Okay, a red circle that will represent the actual answer. Okay, let us see. The red circle is representing the actual answer. So which value is nearer to the red circle? Okay, in this, because we have used very less data, so in this case both the mean and median are coming very near, right? Very near values. But when you take a lot of data, thousands of data, lakhs of data, then your mean value, the 10% mean value, will perform a lot better than the median value. Okay, so hope this you like this video. Please share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and keep thinking, keep practicing uh, coding using Python. Okay, bye bye and take care.